I am in the picturesque Tyne Valley at a commuter village called Stocksfield, known for its access to Newcastle and open countryside. This home I'm going to show you is not far from the station. Newly modernised and renovated throughout, with a beautifully large garden, this home is ideal for both city and country living. The bifolds open into the kitchen with navy shaker cabinetry and a breakfast bar with a Belfast sink. There's a bay window ideal to fit a dining table with a gorgeous built-in window seat and views over the Tyne Valley. The hallway is spacious with a solid wood original banister. The dining room has French doors to outside and the living room a bay window with uninterrupted views. And my favourite bit is this French door taking you to a private veranda overlooking this beautiful garden. Throughout the house there's restored period features and contemporary fixtures and fittings. Upstairs there's 4 bedrooms, 2 with amazing views, a bathroom with a walk-in shower, mosaic fluted tiling, freestanding bath and feature vanity. When people say let's move to the country, quite often they don't want to leave all the city behind. With this home you get the best of both worlds. For both city and country living, it has to be Stocksfield. I'm Michael Mortimer, until next time.